Hi. All right, we're going to head off on inequalities. Linear inequalities in one variable. That's the normal kind of inequality that you graph on the number line. We're going to write the answer in interval notation. So we'll review that also. The first inequality will be solved just like you solve an equation. It's not extremely difficult. 4x plus 4 plus x is greater than or equal to 1 plus 3x minus 1. Now, combine like terms just like you would if you were solving an equation. Notice the 1 and the negative 1 cancel each other out. They zero each other out. Now subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. I always gather my x terms to the left of an inequality. If you always do this, you'll always know which direction to draw the arrow in. So what have we got here? We've got 2x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So divide by 2, and x will be greater than or equal to negative 2. X can be any number greater than or equal to negative 2. And another way to say this is that x can be any number to the right of negative 2 or negative 2 itself. The sign greater than or equal to always takes a bracket. The solution interval starts at negative 2 because negative 2 is on the left, and then it extends forever to the right. Infinity never takes a parenthesis, it always takes a bracket. All right, we're also going to have to graph this. We'll write the graph with the bracket at negative 2 and an arrow extending to the right. Goes in the same direction as greater than or equal to. Inequalities with greater than or equal to always take brackets. So greater than or equal to takes a bracket, and less than or equal to takes a bracket. While strict inequalities like greater than or less than take parentheses. Do remember that. All right, we're going to put our interval notation in the answer box. Bracket negative 2, comma, infinity is in the toolbox, and then parenthesis. Check answer. Fantastic. Now we have to choose a graph. Look at all of them, but you'll notice that D is the only one that has a bracket at negative 2 and then an arrow extending to the right forever. Yep, that's the one. Next problem. This is a three-part inequality. The object is to solve the inequality for the variable, which must be located in the middle. Whatever you would do to two sides of an equation, you do to all three sides of a three-part inequality. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do. For this problem, we have -2 is less than 1/4 times, parentheses, 2m plus 2, parentheses closed, less than or equal to 11. The first thing I'm going to do is eliminate the 1/4. I'll multiply all three parts of this inequality by the denominator of the fraction, which is 4. That's so that I can cancel out the denominator, because 4 times 1/4 is just 1. So -8 is less than 2m plus 2, and it's less than or equal to 44. Now subtract 2 from all three parts of the three-part inequality. We're isolating m step by step. -10 is less than 2m, which is less than or equal to 42. Then divide by 2, and divide by 2, and divide by 2, all three parts. -5 is less than m, is less than or equal to 21. Another way to say this is that m is between -5 on the left and 21 on the right. -5 takes a parenthesis because it takes a strict inequality. 21 takes a bracket because it takes a non-strict inequality. Now on the number line, -5 is to the left, 21 is to the right, and m can be any number in between them. I put the parenthesis on the left, the bracket on the right. They're facing each other because m can be any number in between them. In a way, they're containing m. So I'll put my answer in the answer box. It's going to be parentheses, -5, comma, 21, bracket, check answer. Well done. And we choose a graph. There it is. Parenthesis on the left, bracket on the right. Notice that 21 is understood to be there a little to the right of 20. Check answer. Very good job. I like being told that.